Hello everyone, welcome to NutriLife and NutriLife Yoga. This is Mohammad Bazar, certified nutritionist, and today we are going to talk about intermittent fasting. Shall I start intermittent fasting? Will it help me in my fat loss journey? Why is it so popular? Is it safe for me to do it? Hear me till the end so you will have no doubt about this topic in the future. So what exactly is intermittent fasting? It is a type of eating pattern where you can cycle between period of eating and period of non-eating, which is fasting. It does not specify which food to eat, but rather when those food should consume, right? And this pattern have many form, but the most popular one is 16:8 method. Now, what is 16:8 method? It involves fasting for 16 hours and eating all your day's food in remaining 8 hours window. For many, especially means that skipping the first meal of the day and start eating by the noon or later. Now, this differs from person to person according to their daily lifestyle, their work schedule and sleeping pattern. Some bodies are extend their fasting for more than 16 hours and some bodies are more comfortable between 15 to 16 hours. Now that we have heard it helps a lot in fat loss, now let's try to understand how does it help in the same. Because of the limited eating window, it naturally helps to reduce the overall calorie intake as long as we are not overeating during that eating window. Now this helps in fat loss. Fasting also improves our insulin sensitivity. When this happens, our cells can use the available glucose better, reducing the amount of glucose which would otherwise be stored as fat. It also increases our HGH level, which is human growth hormone. Along with fat loss, it has many other benefits such as cell regeneration, cell production, good for our brain and more. Intermittent fasting is quite popular because of its simplicity and flexibility, as there is no strict food restrictions and you can adjust the eating and fasting window according to your schedule. Who should not be doing intermittent fasting? If you are having any medical condition, pregnant women, mothers who are feeding, if you are having any history of eating disorder, please consult with your health expert first. If you are consistently feeling hungry during the fasting window, feeling fatigue, if you are having consistent headache, and if you think your body is not adapting to it, then I will recommend you to give it a pass. Remember the most important point. Even though intermittent fasting may help some bodies to experience fat loss, but it is essential to have a balanced meal, high quality protein, fruits and vegetables in your diet. Also know that intermittent fasting is not magic. You can still be effectively lose fat and get healthy without doing intermittent fasting. By gaining right knowledge about nutrition in general, regularly exercising and improving your daily habits.
And that was a video, guys.
Write down in the comments below what you thought about it.
Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you.
Follow us on NutriLife and NutriLife Yoga.
And also please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead.
Thank you for watching.